Good evening. Now it is confirmed that Civil Services Preliminary Examination for the year 2020 is going to be conducted on October 4th. So this is the time for us for last moment updations. Now what we are going to do for the coming 2 days or 3 days, within the time whatever we have, limited time, we'll be framing some questions which are based on current affairs which we have already discussed during our regular current affairs classes. And I'll be showing you those questions. We'll have a very brief discussion on that and we'll try to come to a conclusion with respect to answer. Clear? We are not going into the in-depth discussion of any particular subject here. Here we are going to have a overall look at the concerned topic. Right? This is what we are going to do in the coming 2 to 3 days. Now, I would like to open the document for you. Look at this straight away. Here it is. Look at the question. And the question is related to Atma Nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. Now the question is that, which of the following statements is or true regarding Atma Nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan? We have discussed regarding this topic during our current affairs classes. Now there are 4 statements that are given under the question. If you look at the options, the one thing what you can come to a conclusion is that out of these 4 statements, at least 3 statements are right. 4th statement may also be right, but minimum 3 statements are right. Now we'll try to find out whether 4 statements are right or only 3 statements are right. Right? Now start reading the statements. A. The government announced a special economic package of rupees 20 lakh crores. This is the economic stimulus announced by the Prime Minister. Yes, obviously, statement A is very much right. So please look at this very clearly. What is given in the examination? Here I have given directly the 20 lakhs. So you just look at in the examination whether it is given 20 lakhs or something else. If it is 20 lakhs, then only the statement is correct. Be very, very careful while answering. Hence, please be more patient. Read the question clearly. Read every statement clearly. Nothing to worry. You need not panic for anything. You will have time provided. You should be very, very, very calm, right, and balanced. Look at this. I know this particular examination you are going to write and amidst of the great challenge. But still, we need to go ahead. So, as far as this statement is concerned, statement A is very much right for me. Yes. Now, look at the statement number B. The aim of making the country independent against the tough competition in the global supply chain and to help in empowering the poor, laborers, migrants who have been adversely affected by COVID. Clear? Very, very, very important one. So this is the basic idea of announcing the Atma Nirbhar Bharat. And the statement B is also very much right. So this is for empowering the poor, laborers, migrants who have been adversely affected by COVID. What is COVID? COVID. Please look at the letters very clearly. This is called COVID-19. In COVID, CO stands for Corona, VI stands for virus, D stands for disease. Corona virus disease 19, because it was started in the year 2019. This is called COVID-19. Okay, just remember this. Next one. So the statement B is also right. Out of 4 statements, now I am sure 2 statements are right. Look at the third one. See, the borrowing limits of the state governments, just like the central government, state governments are also very adversely affected. So you need to give support even to the states. Now look at the statement C. The borrowing limits of the state governments will be increased from 3% to 5% of the GSDP, gross state domestic product, for the year 2020 and 2021. This statement is also very much right. This is a mechanism how you provide helping hand and strengthening even the states. Clear? And please remember, we are living in a federation and we promote a concept called cooperative federalism. Please remember all the points. Recollect everything what you have learnt all these days. So A, B, C are correct. Now we need to find out whether the last statement D is correct or not. Right? Look at this. All the businesses, including MSMEs, micro, small and medium enterprises, all businesses including MSMEs will be provided with collateral free automatic loans of up to 3 lakh crore rupees. Is the statement right? Very much right. While discussing about Atmanirbhar Bharat, we have discussed all the points. So now I am very, very clear. Look at this very carefully. Now we can come to a conclusion. All the statements are very much right. You need to be very careful in checking whether it is given as 20 lakhs or more or less. If it is 20 lakhs, then only the statement is correct, otherwise wrong. Similarly, look at the statement number C, right? Whether it is increased from 3% to 5% or something else. If it is 3% to 5% only, then the statement is correct. If there is any other figure, then the statement is wrong. And similarly, please be very careful even with respect to the financial year here. Is it 2020, 21 or some other year is given? Then obviously, if any other year is given, the statement would be wrong. So you need to be very patient. You need to be very keen. You should concentrate more. Then you will be getting the answer for this. So as far as this particular question is concerned, all the statements are very much right and answer should be option 4, A, B, C, D. Fine. And since this is the last moment, please revise as much as you can, but don't be tensed. Be very cool and calm, since it is announced, as you are going to take it up very seriously. But be very careful, and every second you need to be very careful because the situation is really tough. This is really challenging, and of course you have the capacity and you know all the things. And I wish you all a very, very, very good luck, and I'll see you in the next class with other topic and other questions. Thank you so much.